Hey guys, what's going on? It's Karl here, back with finally an episode that I know a ton of you guys have been waiting for, and something that I've personally been waiting for myself. It is my condo tour slash this episode is all about the balcony. Okay, so first and foremost, this area here, it's almost 1,000 square feet, which for being in downtown Toronto is nuts to think about. It's definitely the selling point of this place. It's huge, it's massive, and I knew when I saw it, this was the spot to be in. I spend as much time as I can outside because it's way better than being indoors. There are actually quite a few pieces of tech around here, and we'll maybe start with the front place here. You can see piece of tech, I guess, number one, of course, is a barbecue, fully functional. I actually have a gas line. And number two, who has a pizza oven in a condo? Is that even a thing? To tell you the truth, haven't used it yet. Have the wood. Maybe one day we'll get a Zaw burning up in here. And they are some little secret pieces of tech. First, the non-so-techy. Tools to be the ultimate grill master. And this little guy right here, which I just picked up, this is the E5 knife sharpener. And this helps keep all of my knives razor sharp for when I'm cooking up my steaks, cutting them. I think it's a dope little piece of tech that is a handy little addition to your home tech game. Steak knife numero uno. We've got the E5 right here. We'll set it to the second speed of sharpen. Razor sharp. It also comes with a little ceramic polisher just to make sure everything is very sharp. You can also grab an upgrade kit with different types of belts or, of course, different types of knives. I think that is pretty dope. We want to make sure everything is razor sharp. That's tech numero uno in the balcony. Sliding on down, coming to this massive 10-person table, which I think for dining is obviously great. I think it might be a tad bit of overkill. It did come with a place. This is actually what I call the landing zone, and this is where I actually test out all of my drones. So I still think being over a year and a half old, the DJI Mavic Pro is still perfect for traveling. It's had a few close calls as the years have gotten on, but I also do have the Phantom 4 Pro. This guy usually bring around when I've got a bit more space, a bit more time. It did honestly though become a weed whacker when I was recording a Porsche video. It still though works totally fine. Just had to replace one or two props. I'm sure we've all had those near death runs with our drones. And area number 3, this is maybe my favorite part. It's the gazebo area. This is the spot where I like to chill out, relax. You can see there are some little birch trees here. All of this stuff kind of came with the condo. This is literally the chillaxing spot. I'm actually very sad as winter is kind of approaching. It's the end of August into September. Maybe the next thing I'm looking to get is some portable heating lamps or maybe a little fire pit just to stay nice and toasty and to maximize and use outside as long as I can. And if you actually look around here, this is where you spot the first additions to the upgrade game. These were the outdoor lights that I got to light up the gazebo, to light up the patio area. They are powered by Philips Hue lights, so they are colored, which is dope. The ones inside the gazebo are the Kala outdoor bollard. These ones kind of rest on the ground and they do come in sets of 2. And the ones that kind of circulate the outside, those are the Lily outdoor spotlights. Both, like I mentioned, are controlled by my Google Home, so when I'm inside, I just need to activate, hey Google, turn on the Terrace Lights. I've got them set to a nice little calming blue color, but of course, I think there are 16 million combinations of color that you can change them to, so literally, your heart's content, whatever you end up picking, whether it's orange, or blue. Into the gazebo area now to share the last piece of tech which I always bring outside, which is my favorite Bluetooth speaker. It's the SRS XB41 from Sony. I will admit it is a tad bit big, which I think is perfect for a place like this perhaps a bit too large to always carry with you in, say, a tech travel pack. It does last around 15 hours before I have to juice it up, but maybe the coolest thing, maybe slightly cheesy, it does light up, which kind of matches some of the lights that I have going on, and especially at night, that's when the music is bumping. If anyone knows who this DJ is, big brownie points, you've just won the internet for the day. This is literally me. So that kind of wraps up the balcony tour and some of the tech, which is still possible to have outside, that kind of lives here. Some upgrades though, in the potential future, I am really thinking, Dad, I know that you're probably gonna shake your head at this, is having some sort of hot tub, maybe a 3 to 4 person one, kind of take up this little nook area here, maybe. And perhaps the second upgrade that would run across this strip down here would possibly be a putting green. This one is probably more doable, just get a piece of turf and of course a little hole at the end to get my short game up. Anyways, that is my condo balcony tour. I know this one was different, but I know there are still other rooms in my condo that you guys want to see. Let me know which one should be next down below in the comments. It actually might be my bedroom up next. Hope to catch you guys in either that episode or the next one on the channel. Catch you guys then. Peace.